that one guy. The cutie boy. Chubby boy. Chubby boy. Chubby boy. Introducing my cat. Tobias! I'm gonna put this in the bin and go to biscuit right here. JJ, good boy. They're some idiots. But except for Tobias. It's so cute. Look at bro, look at itself. If I put this. Oh, he licked me. Put this. Look at him. Bro, like, he's like chill guy now. Just go to this guy right here. Look at this guy, bro. Like, what the flip is doing, bro? Like, what you want, boy? What you want, hey? JJ. If you go down, you'll be like, yeah, get out. Bro, like, they're so nigga, bro. Bro, they're so black, bro. Honestly, this kid right here. Well, like, with this kid right here, they both fight a lot. This fat guy makes Chris causing this guy to very fat. And if I do this, no, he just licks me. Sometimes he bites me like a nigga. And this guy right here, chubby boy, like so fatty, oh, just like, and then like chill guy. Especially that, he's the most chill guy. See you next time.